Are you interested in the new GoPro 12 Black, but have concerns about the overheating issues found in the GoPro 10 and 11? Find out here on Let's Talk Tech today. Hi, Mike here. Thanks for joining today. I'm going to demonstrate the temperature differences that I found between my GoPro 10 and my new GoPro 12. The results were quite interesting between the two of them. I used a fully charged Enduro battery in each of them for both tests, recording at 4K and 60 frames per second. GPS was also disabled in the GoPro 10 to match the GoPro 12's lacking of this feature. The room temperature was 71 degrees during these tests, with no fans to provide any cooling effects. They were also sitting on a granite counter, which may or may not have had any effect on the test. Let's now take a look at the results. During the first test, hyper-smooth video stabilization was turned on. I was surprised that the GoPro 12 actually turned off first due to the built-in overheating protection, even though throughout the test it was consistently cooler than the GoPro 10 until the 20-minute mark. You can see here as I compare the temperatures of each camera on the back, top, and front surfaces. I allowed the cameras to cool for an hour before beginning the second test, where a new fully charged Enduro battery was placed in each camera. During the second test, hypersmooth video stabilization was turned off. The results yielded cooler temperatures during the test on both cameras until the GoPro 10 encountered the overheating message at 59 minutes and 20 seconds. I performed both these tests as many people may not disable hypersmooth when recording stationary video indoors or outdoors, and I was curious how much quicker the cameras would hit the overheating protection. I know many people are complaining about the lack of GPS in the GoPro 12, but that's a feature I've never utilized. The camera overheating and longer recording times were most important to me when deciding to purchase the GoPro 12. I'm confident that the GoPro 12 is much improved, as the test results confirmed the GoPro 10 consumes battery power much quicker and does indeed heat up faster, which triggered the overheating protection in both tests. I hope you enjoyed this video today. I will be producing a future video comparing the new user menu in the GoPro 12 with the older style that's found in the GoPro 10 and 11. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe and like our videos, as it really helps us grow this channel and produce more videos like this. Thank you and have a fantastic day.